What's up, superstars? I'm here with Matt at Alphabroder. Tell us a little bit about your business.
What's up, man? I'm happy to be here. So Alphabroder is going to be your one-stop shop for both apparel and promotional products. Again, working with us, you'll get free freight over $200. We have over 80 brands that we're working with at our company, and we have everything from t-shirts to hoodies to jackets, backpacks, water bottles, anything that you would need to get started in your business, we have at Alphabroder.
Okay. Well, in comparison of Gildan's 2000, 5000, what is big, like good, better, and best?
Okay.
On that kind of comparison.
Okay, I got you. So getting started, Gildan, if you're familiar, you've probably seen these all over just before you've even gotten to our industry. Gildan is our #1 selling brand in terms of volume. It has everything that you would need from a basic standpoint. Best price points, best inventory, a surplus of colors, and a bunch of different SKUs that are in that collection. If you're getting started and starting your own company, you're going to want to start with Gildan. Gildan applies to the masses, so anybody who needs a good price t-shirt, who needs deep inventory, great for trade shows, great for events. They do have tearaway labels, which is a great addition on here. It uses pre-shrunk cotton, so that's going to be your basic cotton, and the design is tubular. So what that means is that when it's coming off the presses and when it's being manufactured, it's actually on a tube, so it rolls out. These are good, but you want to go for something a little bit higher end, you're going to want to move on to your better brands, and that's what I'll show you here. Next, we have a brand called Threadfast. That's exclusive to Alphabroder. So another benefit that you get from Alphabroder is we have a ton of brands that are just exclusive to our company. This is Threadfast, a sustainable brand. All of their shirts are going to use US cotton, which is the most sustainable and socially responsible cotton that's out there. This is our newest item here and is a game changer. This is our Epic Tee. Again, is tubular, but has a much softer hand. This is ring spun cotton. So with ring spun, they actually spin the cotton and get all the impurities out versus the one that you saw with Gildan. So that just makes it a much softer shirt. You're gonna find a lot more fashion colors like this oatmeal color on here, and it prints like a dream, which is a great factor of this brand. Best part is that you're paying only a little bit more than a Gildan, and you're getting a much cleaner, much more energy efficient t-shirt. And for your best, we have our brand called Bella Canvas. Bella Canvas is really a disruptor in our market nowadays. What they're doing is they're able to take a shirt and purify it so much that it just becomes soft like a cloud, right? So if you ever wanted to touch a cloud, get this shirt and you're actually going to be very happy with what you get. Now the benefits of this is that it's side seam. And side seam versus tubular is that after a few different washes, this is going to lose its shape a little bit, get a little, rough and tough. This actually maintains the design of the t-shirt. So when you wash it, you're going to have minimal shrinkage, and you're not going to have any sort of wrinkles or any sort of like a pull or anything like that. So it's going to look exactly how it looks over 10 washes, 20 washes, 30 washes. I personally think this gets softer as you wash it. And this is a really popular brand if you're looking for something, an elevated fabric. So different industries that use this, these are for like music industries, concert tees, bars, or restaurants, you name it. If you're looking for something with an elevated fabric, Bella Canvas is going to be your design. Like I mentioned, we have over 80 brands, so if these don't float your boat, you can do all types of different brands, from American Apparel to Alternative to Next Level and more. So it's just finding what your go-to tees are going to be and growing with it.
Sweet, awesome. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, I just want to also I had a question of more of at a customer point of view.
Yes.
If someone's starting off in a business in DTF, what would out of the good, better, and best, what shirt would they want to start off with?
I think you want to start off with your Bella Canvas. If price isn't an option and you're going for quality, why not start at the top here? So, again, compared to your Gildan, you're not paying too much more and you're getting a much better shirt with this. Prints like a dream, super smooth. Because it is the type of cotton that they use, they remove so many impurities that it's going to be the best surface to print on. And you really can't go wrong. Again, I mentioned how many brands we have, and if you're working with us, www.alphabroder.com is going to be your best friend. You can set up an account there. We have tons of digital collateral, from images to digital catalogs and more, that are available to help you get your business off to the right start.
Thank you. You actually beat me to it from contacting us. Thank
I'm
you.
all over it, brother.
Hey, thank you so much.
Really
seriously,
appreciate that.
Well, it was a pleasure. Seriously, and hey, thank you.
Pleasure. Thanks, guys.